guys, today I am going to talk about Republic Day. Republic Day has been celebrated in India on January 26th since the 1950s because that's the day where the Constitution of India came into effect. Do you know who's the father of the Constitution of India? It is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Then India got democratic. India is celebrating its 72nd Republic Day this year. And the main celebration is held on National Capital New Delhi at Rajpath before the President of India. Before the President of India, flag hosting, saluting and parades. Also in schools and colleges, flag hosting, cultural dances and sweet distribution. And the President of India distributes the Padma Awards at that day. Bye. Thank you for watching.